Alright, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's been a minute since I gotten on this, well, it feels like a minute. I went up to Blood a couple of weeks ago, or it feels like it's a couple of weeks ago now, with my buddy with the R9T, so that video is out there as well, but it just feels like it's been a long time for some reason, but it's good to be back on it, trying to take advantage of as many days as we can to ride the bike and just be out here sort of one with nature. It's a good day to get out. I wasn't going to ride because my buddy said that let's pick another day to ride, so I wasn't going to ride, and I had my mind set on not going to ride. So I was out and about, getting some lunch with the wife, get some errands done, and I went to Cycle Gear because I bought some Reacts jeans, and maybe it was the material, it just didn't feel right. It fit, the fit was okay, it just didn't feel too right, maybe because it was more kind of a leather material than actual jeans or the kind of stretchy jean materials that they have now. So it was just, I was wearing it around the house, and I was like, nah man, it's like feels like it's falling down a lot and just doesn't sit where I would like it to sit. And so I returned it, and like I said, Cycle Gear is good about that stuff. They're able to exchange, I believe it's like 90 days or something like that if you buy something off online, or if you go to one of their stores and you don't like it, as long as you return it within 90 days in its current condition or in a good condition, then they're usually pretty good at just exchanging it for whatever you want. So yeah, so I got another one. I forgot what these are called. It's not the Reacts anymore because they didn't have one that I actually liked, that I thought that was going to fit well. But I got these. I don't know what these are called, but they work fine. So far they're working just fine. Not a huge problem with it. And I mean, I literally just came from the store and I put it on and I'm out here. So I mean, I hope that I don't have to test it in regards to if it's gonna work or not. So let's hope that I never really have to test it to its maximum. But I went and got the Twouesday. Is that how you pronounce it? Twouesday? I don't know. I got their D1 jacket, which is their mesh jacket essentially. And so I got it for a really good price. And so I really couldn't pass it up because of the price I got it for. Normally I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't put down that kind of money for just a jacket, especially a mesh jacket, honestly. But again, I got it at a good price, and so I was like, okay, I just pull the trigger on it because I needed a mesh jacket for the spring and the summer anyways, because all I have at the house is leathers. It's either leather jackets for summer riding or no gear, and I'm not about to go no gear, especially when I'm riding out here. So I got that. So far, I got it yesterday, so far so good, not too bad. It's working out good. Just riding it, testing it a little bit today to see how it handles the wind and how it feels on my body. So far it's been doing pretty good with filtering the air through. Feels really good. It cools me down when I'm sitting at red lights like this. You can feel the heat, especially on warmer days like today. It's like 70 degrees today, so you can definitely feel the heat, and the jacket does a good job of cooling me off too. So I've got underneath the jacket itself, I've got like a super thin just hoodie, zip up hoodie, and then underneath that I just got a regular t-shirt. And so I got like 3 layers on, but it's very thin layers, so I can still feel all the air and the wind and stuff like that. But so far so good, keeping me warm. I mean, it's keeping me cool when the wind is coming through it, and so far I like it. But again, it's got It's got some protection, some level of protection at the elbows. I don't know what level. I'm pretty sure it's like the C1 level, the lowest level. In regards to like elbow protection, I don't know if they have any. Honestly, I don't know if these mesh. Oh yeah, they do. They have some shoulder ones. Pretty sure it's like, I'm pretty sure it's like level 1. Okay, like I'm pretty sure it's level 1. I didn't look at it, but I did. This particular jacket, it does not have the back protector. It does have an insert for it, so I had to get the back protector as well, and I believe that was like 30 bucks, and that one was a level 2 back protector. I don't know what the brand is. I don't remember looking at it, but it's a level 2 protector. And the guy at Cycle Gear says it's the same one as Dainese would give you if you ordered it from them. Their level 2, it'd be the same one, except it has their logo on it, so they're allowed to upcharge you another $9,000 for the back protector. So I was like, okay. So I guess I don't know if it's a knockoff, but I got a different one that's a level 2 back protector in here. I can't feel it. And that's a good thing for me. Like, I don't want to feel like there's something like stabbing me in the back, or that I can actually feel it there. So I know that it's there and I can't feel it, and that's good. I like it like that. That's not too bad. But so far the jacket's doing a good job. Like I said, I just got it yesterday. Today's the first day riding with it. So again, just like the pants, or just like the jeans here, I'm hoping that I don't have to test it, but I'm pretty sure that it's going to work as advertised. So I know that some of you guys, they got really expensive bikes, and according to the Discord I'm on, some people would consider my bike a really expensive bike, and I'm like, not really. I mean, it is, to me, it's expensive. To me, it's expensive because, again, you have to consider I'm coming from a bike that I'm coming from the R6 that I got for, I believe it was like 1,700. Okay, like I got an R6, an old R6 for 1,700, and so to go from 1,700 to this thing, yeah, it's quite a bit of jump in regards to financing or finances. It's a big jump. It's a huge jump. But compared to all the other bikes out there that are in this class, or even, I guess, bikes in general in regards to like super sports and stuff like that, yeah, this thing is pretty cheap. And not in a sense of quality, but again, just price, right? It's cheap compared to the other ones, and so I wouldn't consider this an expensive bike at all, to be quite honest with you, seeing what the other bikes are actually going for. So not too bad. I like it. And just a quick shout out to Sophia. I appreciate you, Sophia. Like I said, you show me a lot of love in regards to encouragement. Like I said, we ride the same bike, so I appreciate it. All the way out from California. If you guys haven't checked out her channel or don't know about her, then go ahead and check her out. That's Sophia, out there on California, and I'll probably link her stuff somewhere. I'll put it somewhere in here, but I appreciate it. Showing me a lot of love out there from the West Coast. So one of my subscribers suggested that I look up Dave Moss for suspension tuning, and I've seen Dave Moss's videos before. The name didn't ring a bell, but when I went to go search and saw some of his videos, I was like, oh, okay, I know who this guy is, in regards to, well, I don't know him obviously, but I recognize who he is and what he does for the world of suspension. And so I've tried to look up some of the stuff for suspension work, and just adjusting the suspension, particularly for this bike. And there's only like a 6 minute or so video that he shows that seems to be pretty simple. He didn't go into great detail, but I wanted to find another video that was more in better detail, but I couldn't find it. And I went to his website, and I honestly don't know if I actually have to sign up, and there is like some sort of subscription fee or anything like that. I don't remember seeing anything like that. I could be wrong, but I wanted really to understand how to tune the suspension on this bike, because now I'm totally intrigued. I really am. Like, I really want to tune the bike, the suspension anyways. I want to really tune the suspension to, I mean, if not anything, to my current body weight right now. And I guess if I understand it later, then I could really adjust it better next time. But I wanted to really get into tuning the suspension now. So again, let me know in the comments if it's something that I actually have to subscribe to, that I actually have to subscribe to try to see if there's a video, because he did mention in the short video that there is a full video out there on his website. And so I don't know if, again, that's subscription based only, and I can't see it until I'm subscribed to the web page or to him, or however they do that. So let me know if that's what I need to actually do, because I might just do it, to be quite honest with you. I might just do it just so I can understand suspension, since I got a motorcycle that I can tune the suspension on, like fully tune it and really dial it in. So I might as well get to getting that knowledge and getting it done. So I want to try to look at that as well. Probably, like I said, just let me know in the comments if that's a subscription based thingy, to actually get that done or not. We got these young ladies here eyeballing me like, what the heck is this dude doing? Like, don't come over here and tear up our park, you motorcycle riding hooligan. Well, that is the end of this video for today. Thank you guys for riding along with me while I just enjoy a little bit of time that I have on the bike again. Tomorrow it might be raining. If it doesn't rain, I'll probably get on it again. If it does, then I'm just gonna be chilling. But thank you again for riding with me. We will see you guys on the next one. Peace.